Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hi all, this is the Zontes 350E and it's fitting the rear rack so you can fit a top box or whatever onto there. It's an accessory from Zontes, you can get it from your Zontes dealer. This is a video just how to fit it, etc. You can fit your plate to this and your top box on top of that. Just the actual rack on the back that allows you to do that. This is in English subtitles. It's also a version I'm doing with Spanish subtitles, so to show you in Spanish. Please like and subscribe, view our playlist. The playlists are for all Zontes motorcycles. Just have a look through the playlist and see. This is Man Mick, I'm signing off. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.